Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. So I've got to tell you about this great scale my husband and I have found. We keep it in our closet, as you can see, and it's just worked out really, really well for us. So one thing that I really like is it has 4 user presets. So you can put in your height and age, and then after taking your weight, you'll get additional information. So it will tell you your BMI, and it has a body fat percentage option. I really like that you can get some more information than just your standard weight every day. It's also nice and thin and sleek looking. It looks great in our home. And I like that you have the option on the back to change it from pounds to kilograms, depending on what type of weighing you use. So overall, we've just been really happy with this scale, and that's my point of view.